Hi guys, today we're unboxing again, but a different version. Original Squishmallow Series 10, Jimmy Johnson. Sorry for that noise. My brother has soccer practice. I just got done with soccer practice, that's why I'm so sweaty. Let's open. Oh yeah, here's the ones you can get. This is the one we did get. Jimmy Johnson. Oh, we got the secret. Here he is. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Scan this QR code. See what happens. Its position is forward, most likely to run up and down the stands before a game. Can I have my root beer? Gulp, gulp. Mickey D's. Yes, scan this QR code, you'll find out. So its position is forward, most likely to run up and down the stands before a game. Yeah, I told you. Scan it. I know you didn't. I'll also give you the chunkala. Oh, Granny. Oh. Subscribe. I'm gonna hit you. And then I'll be homeless. What?
That's enough. Turn the video off.
Almost done. I will destroy you, little boy. Feel it.
Okay, that's it.
No. Feel it. No. Plus A. Feel it. Number 7 jersey. Greenwood, the BC. Feel its ear. Feel its ear. Here's its taggy. Collab with FIFA and Mickey D's. Its team is Mickey D's. Mickey D's. Mickey D's. DDD's. Mickey Wee's. Mickey. Papa Pig.
Hey, Julian, that's enough.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Sui. Feel it one more time. Actually, one more. And that will maybe be the end of the video. 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everybody, that will be the end of the video. A peace!